So now I'm here to save you from the stress of finding someone in the US or in UK or other developed countries for them to pay your tuition or service fee on your behalf. So now you can pay your service fee at the comfort of your house, at the comfort of your home, without leaving your office or without leaving your work or without leaving your children behind. You can pay it at the comfort of your house using your mobile money or your bank account. So this app I'm talking about is the Pay for Me app. And before I proceed, you see this referral code here? This is why I'm here. So if you want to enjoy a 35 Ghana cedis discount on every services or any transaction you make on the Pay for Me app, just use this referral code. It's going to give you 35 cedis discount on every transaction you make on the Pay for Me app. This is the reason why I'm here. I am here to help you to make money using the Pay for Me app. So you are not just going to use the Pay for Me app to make transactions, but you're also using the Pay for Me app to make money. So now let's download and install the Pay for Me app from Play Store. So on the search button, you're going to type in Pay for Me. Pay for Me. So you click on the Pay for Me app. So you see this one installed. So I've already installed the Pay for Me app. So since there is a new update, let me update the app quickly and let's start.
Meet Martha. She's one of over 1 million international students who come to the United States annually for higher education. She's just been notified by her school's accounting department that her tuition payment hasn't been received, even though her family wired the money over a week ago. It's past the tuition deadline, and Martha needs to pay within 24 hours or get kicked out for non-payment. If Martha gets kicked out, her student visa will be canceled, and she'll need to immediately leave the United States or get deported and banned. She quickly pinged the international student community for help. Her buddies told her they'd been using the Pay for Me app to instantly pay their tuition. She quickly downloaded the highly rated app, completed the onboarding, and instantly paid her tuition from the comfort of her room. Like Martha, international students worldwide can use the Pay for Me. Meet Martha.
So we are done downloading the app. Let's open the app and let's get things done. So I've already signed up. So I'm gonna log in. So if you're new here, you're gonna sign up. You're gonna create a new account. Yeah. So let's sign in the account. Let's log in. And after the sign up, you have to do verification. You have to verify the account. And without verification, you will be able to use the account, but you will not be able to link your bank account. So now let's talk about the payment, how to make payment or transactions using the Pay for Me app. So you click on the payment, and there's a lot of tools and resources you can use the Pay for Me app for. Now let's look at some of the countries you can pay through using the Pay for Me app. We have a lot of countries that you can make transactions or transfer money from your home country to. So now you can transfer from your country to Australia, Croatia, including Denmark, Finland, Estonia, France, Gambia, Georgia, and many more countries like Germany, Guyana, Greece, Italy, Ireland, United Kingdom, Luxembourg, Lithuania, Netherlands, and the United States. Many more countries to that. You can use the Pay for Me app to pay test and exams fees. So like Duolingo, GRE, the GMAT, TOEFL, UCAT, SAT, and a lot more like the. Or you can use the Pay for Me app to pay for your evaluation fees and other stuff. A lot more. And from there, yes, so here are a list of the exams and tests you can use your Pay for Me app for. So now let's focus on the service fee, how to use the Pay for Me app. On the service fee section, you will see the F1, which is for universities, M1 for the vocational schools, and now we are focusing on the F1. Now they are running 22% off charges. So the total payment due will be 6,476 cedis, including charges. And here, look at this. This is the referral code, which is going to give you 35 Ghana cedis discount on every transaction you make on the Pay for Me app. So you look at this, make sure you write it down. You can generate your service fee coupon using the Pay for Me app, or you can go straight and upload if you have already generated the coupon. So you type on the service fee coupon and you have to upload the service fee coupon on the portal. So I can't find my service fee coupon. I can't find any of them, so let me use any document for the tutorial. So let me use this one. And here you're going to write your date of birth, the one you use for your the one you used when correcting your F1, the one on your passport. Make sure it corresponds with the one on your passport, and the one on your service fee coupon, the one you use when generating your service fee coupon. So let me use this one. All right, let's proceed. So your payment will be processed within 6 hours. So I advise everyone, if you are going for your visa interview, make sure you pay your service fee about 3 days to your interview to avoid any inconvenience. So now we're going to use our mobile money. You can use your mobile money, either MTN, Vodafone, which is currently called Telecel, or Airtel Tigo. So if you haven't yet deposited any money in your Pay for Me wallet, so now we're going to use our MTN. So here are the payment gateway. Let's wait small. And now you can use either MTN, Airtel Tigo, Telecel, formerly known as Vodafone. So now let's use MTN. So there's no need going to the bank or finding Western Union to pay your SEVIS fee. You can pay it at the comfort of your home. So now you use the mobile money that you want to use for the transaction. Now you have to confirm. So that will send you a code to the same number you use to confirm that it's actually you. Alright, so the code will be in, and you have to type in the code, the PIN, to authorize the payment. The last thing you will do is to confirm and approve your payment. And now, voila, you're done with paying your service fee. So kindly do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you haven't yet subscribed, kindly do subscribe and click on the notification bell for the next video.